Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video is in fact another live forex market analysis. So as you can see here, our pair is the US dollar to the South African rand, the USDZAR. So without any further waste of time, then we get on with the analysis. And basically we analyzed to find setups. If there's no setup, we don't trade. No setup, no trade. And that's something that I also wrote on that's one of the things that I have on my trading rules, my trading system, that if there's no setup, there is no trade. So that keeps me, that somehow keeps me disciplined when it's hard for me to find setups. So starting with my key levels, my highest high and my lowest low, it's now time for, should I now look for my previous key levels, previous reversal areas of the market? So these are my 4 key levels. So on the 4-hour time frame, there's not really much to see. So the market, as you can see, was in fact in some sort of a bearish trend. It broke out, retested, and wow, those who took this trade are happy. Those who took this trade are happy. Wow. So there's not really much to see. As you can see, the market is messy. Wow. So should I move to the hourly time frame? So okay, let me go back to the 4-hour time frame. There's something that I want to show you. So on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, this is a double top, right? This is a double top on my highest high, right? On my highest key level, meaning that this is a reversal signal. This is a reversal type pattern, and this signals us that the market has a possibility of actually selling to the downside. So if I move back to the hourly time frame, you're gonna see that I cater for this double bottom, this double top that I see. And another thing that I want to cater for is this support zone right here. This is a strong support zone. As you can see, the market rejected before actually pushing to the upside. And also here, this was a fake out. It pushed to the upside, never retested, came back. Also here, this was a fake out. Here it broke out, retested twice, which is here and here. Pushed to the upside, came back, reversed, pushed to the upside, also came back. So to confirm our double top for selling opportunities, should the market cross our support zone, which will now become a resistance zone, retest, and should we then look for selling opportunities, and our target would be at this key level here. And as you can see, this is which is at 15.54, 15.5449. That would be our target. Or should the market reject when the market reaches our key level, to actually gain enough momentum to break that key level, which will now become a resistant key level. Retest that key level, that's where we might scale in, and probably that would then be our overall target. But as the market pushes to the downside, we are gonna lock our profits. So if the market was here and we would look for selling opportunities, our stop loss would be just above here, just above this reversal, just above when the market reversed here, rejected here to gain enough momentum. Because if the market comes back to that key level, to yes, this key level, it would confirm to us that it's a fake out, and the market would then give us an inverse head and shoulder for reversals. So that's where we would place our stop loss if we were to cater to scale in, right? So as you can see, currently the market hasn't broken out of our support zone. So we can either, so if I move to the 30-minute time frame, right, I'm also seeing something here. I'm seeing this trend line. I'm seeing that the market, yes, I'm seeing this trend line, right? And this is some sort of a small double bottom on my support zone, right? So the market might either retest, do a minor retest on my minor double bottom, and should the market retest here, then that's a possible sign that the market might possibly buy and give us a triple top, if not this double top. And then that's how we would cater for buys. Should the market retest here, I want to place a stop order just above this week here. Let me show you this week, just above somewhere here, our buy stop, because the market might give us a star, either a star, yes, a star candlestick, which is a candlestick pattern or whatever, is a star. Then the market might actually show to us that no, the market was actually faking out. So as you can see here, the market faked out, came back. When it broke out, it retested via a fake out twice. And also here might possibly be a fake out, and it might possibly be, well, it might possibly be a fake out of our trend line, that the market is actually the market is actually still inside our trend line, and the market might buy. Or it's a fake out of the breakout retest. So the market is not perfect. That's one thing you should always consider when you're analyzing. So here we can either, for buys, we can place our buy stop just above the weak rejection, with our stop loss just below, possibly below our support zone. But as you can see, the risk to reward ratio is not good. So personally, I wouldn't take this trade, because for me, the minimum risk to reward ratio is to 1.5. So here this is 1. So this would be a reasonable, and that's how I would cater for buying opportunities. Then for sales, we can also place a sell stop here, since our support zone and our stop loss probably here, and our overall target, the risk to reward ratio is a good 1:1.3. Sorry, it's a 1:3.56. Yes, the risk to reward ratio. So for me personally, here I will look for sales and not buys. So we should go for buying opportunities, and once the market activates our sell stop, it means that the market would have, this was being our zone, which would then become our resistance zone, which would then become our, in other words, ceiling. So that's basically the setup for the US dollar ZAR pair. Another thing I want to add, if we should the market sell, right? Should the market sell, the market would we would look for either a double top on our on this zone to have more confluence on our sell setup, right? To have confluence on our sell setup, so the market can, if the market sells, it would either give us a continuation pattern, which might be a double top of this zone, or head and shoulders, or any type of continuation pattern for us to confirm our sell setup. So this is the analysis for the USDZAR pair, and without any further waste of time, I would like to thank you for investing your time into this powerful, but it also depends on when you watch this video. So if you watch this video probably like 2 hours after I've uploaded it, then you might as well also see the setup. So if you enjoyed, please hit that like button. If you also enjoy watching these kind of content, to subscribe to. Cheers.